Jecheon National Healing Forest is located at the foot of Mount 금수산. This is a place to walk in nature and enjoy the serenity. You can enjoy forest bathing along the health healing forest path, forest smell healing forest path, and negative ion healing charcoal path. In front of the healing center, there is an observatory overlooking the forest and the wooden chair. Park your car in the parking lot at the entrance to the forest and walk up a little to find the medicinal herb garden on the left slope. In this herbal garden, 6 kinds of medicinal herb for indoor healing programs, such as rowan and yam, are grown. A wooden deck path runs along the slope. A little further up along the forest path from the herbal garden is the healing center. The forest trail is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. The health healing forest trail that climbs the hillside has a good view of the beautiful Mount Geumsusan. The forest path that goes down to the foot of the mountain is not difficult because there are not many slopes. The taste of walking through the small birch forest on one side of the oak forest is also different. There is also forest meditation resting place in the middle of the negative ion healing forest trail that runs along the Geumsusan mountain valley. It takes less than an hour to walk all these paths.